Imagine eating a delicious meal, full of nutrients and energy your body needs. Now, imagine all that food being completely useless to your cells, like throwing fuel on the ground instead of into your car's tank. That's what happens without insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by your pancreas, specifically by cells called beta cells, in areas known as islets of Langerhans. Though tiny in size, this hormone plays a gigantic role in your body's ability to use the food you eat. So why is insulin called the ruler of the energy empire? Because it literally controls how your body uses and stores energy. When you eat carbohydrates, they break down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. This triggers your pancreas to release insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking cell doors to let glucose in. Without insulin, glucose remains trapped in your bloodstream, unable to enter your cells. Your cells starve despite being surrounded by energy, similar to dying of thirst while floating on a raft in the middle of the ocean. This is why without insulin, your meals essentially become garbage to your body. They contain energy your cells cannot access. Insulin does more than just manage glucose. It tells your liver to store excess glucose as glycogen for later use. It signals fat cells to take in glucose and convert it to fat for long-term energy storage. It even promotes protein synthesis, helping build and maintain your muscles. For most people, this intricate system works automatically, with insulin levels rising and falling throughout the day in response to meals and activity. But for those with diabetes, this system breaks down, either because the body doesn't produce enough insulin or because cells have become resistant to insulin's effects. Understanding insulin helps us appreciate the remarkable way our bodies convert food into energy. This tiny hormone, this director of the energy empire, silently orchestrates one of the most fundamental processes that keep us alive and functioning every single day.